Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Well, as I have promised to return to discussion of the euro currency on the previous week, although at my taste the euro currency is not very attractive for trading in a very short-term perspective, at least currently it's very shallow signs that could be used for scalp or short-term trading, and other pairs, probably other currencies, have more attractive setups. But in fact, euro currency has the very great potential on the longer term perspective, and major will depend on how market will respond on this top. It's very difficult to combine, guys, the short-term update, daily video update with the long-term setup, because in fact, currently on the daily time frame chart we do not see anything interesting for trading. Yes, we see that market has completed this ABC bottom pattern. Market has hit 1618 extension, its ultimate target, has formed this small and shy bearish engulfing pattern that theoretically could lead to some bounce to the downside. But in general, that is not very impressive setup, and it's very difficult to understand what we could do based on this setup in general. It's no clear some greater patterns. Still, we could make some observations here. First of all, as market has hit ultimate targets, 1618 extension, to continue move higher, market needs to show some deep retracement to multiply the scale of this upward action. So that could become the first swing, the AB point, AB leg. Then market should form some great retracement to shift to the some greater scale of upward action, because currently with this minor scale, this small scale with the small retracements, market already has completed the ultimate target, this 1618. To continue move higher, market should double the scale of this upward action, and that's why some greater move down, greater retracement is possible. From the fundamental point of view, I hope guys you will read our weekly research, because there we have found the reason why market has shown this upward action on the previous week. That was in fact the result of the swap trading on the euro currency, since in the beginning of the next week European banks will have to pay out the 20 billion euros to the European Central Bank. And in fact, from the fundamental point of view, that upward action was just a splash in the liquidity demand for the euro currency. And now the major concern, will this upward action finish as demand will start to fade, or market will continue move higher. And from the fundamental point of view, since the FOMC meeting will be only on Wednesday, from the Monday till Wednesday there will be some sort of the free time when the market participants can turn to the taking profit. That's the first reason for this potential move to the downside. Second, the liquidity splash for the euro currency on the interbank market will also start to fade, and that also could lead to downward action on the euro USD. Well, from the technical point of view, this retracement down could lead to appearing of the big butterfly sell pattern on the weekly time frame chart. So that could become the left wing of the butterfly. If market will show extended retracement, that could lead to the right wing of the butterfly. And if you will read our weekly analysis, you will understand what I am talking about. As the potential target of this retracement, although you can see we have very different, a lot of fib supports, so that's minor fib support, near fib support, also we have the confluence, I have marked this area. Why? Because this level, 135.50 area, it coincides with the 50% support of the whole move up. That is very typical ratio for euro currency. Euro currency likes to show the 50% retracements. As we suggest deep retracement, since market has hit ultimate target 1618, then that's very probable retracement level. Second, that level is acceptable is for appearing of the butterfly, because when the market forms a butterfly, it usually shows the deep retracement when it start to form the right wing. So it's 50% at minimum, or even 618. Also, this level coincides with the previous consolidation. So if you'll contract the chart, you'll see it. So that's our level. As you can see, this some sort of the consolidation here again, some kind of the consolidation. So that's some sort of the natural support resistance area that could hold market from the further downward action. So that's why I have some suspicions that this downward action could be a bit more extended than just to this area or even to the confluence support. And that's the moment to watch for. Second moment is that when and if market will not make an attempt to take out these highs right at the beginning of the week and start move to the downside, that could be some kind of the trap, because when people will see that market start bounce down from this top without any challenge for the taking out, it could just lead to some thoughts that probably market turn to the downside again. But when the market will suddenly stop in this area and will just blast out, maybe within the FOMC meeting or something of that sort. For example, if the Federal Reserve will make no signs of starting of the tapering quantitative easing program and won't say a word about it, this could really trigger some upward action in the short-term perspective, and that could in fact lead to the appearing of the butterfly. And at least that's the setup that could be formed here, because I strongly suggest that you will read our weekly analysis of the monthly time frame chart or the weekly chart, because euro currency currently has the major content on the higher time frames, and the potential could be seen mostly on the monthly time frame chart. And it's very difficult to explain this setup based on the daily time frame chart and to link them with daily video in a very short-term perspective. In the short-term setup, unfortunately, we do not see any clear patterns. We will not even drop to the lower time frame charts, because on the hourly time frame, on the 4-hour time frame chart, I see nothing really right now. That's why is it good or not, but in the beginning of the week we will have to wait what will happen. Maybe market will form some clear patterns, for example some kind of the ABCD pattern to the downside, that will give us at least something to think about, and that could let us to understand what action will happen and what trade we could make on this development. But right now the major will depend on what market behavior will happen in the beginning of the week. I suspect that market could start move down without any challenge of these highs. And it's very logical in the current situation. But in the longer perspective, if market will take out of these highs, that could be really very big, huge upward potential for the euro currency if this really happens. Why, you will understand from the weekly analysis if you will read the part dedicated to the monthly chart analysis. Also, guys, in the fundamental part of our research, you will get more information about this recent rally on the euro currency, and in general some thoughts of the big economists where they share some concerns about the FOMC meeting and some other interesting stuff. So let's see what will happen, and I hope that on the beginning of the week euro will give us some clear patterns that we could trade even on the short-term perspective.